Today, we'll be talking about prepositions. Hello, class.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Vasily.
Vasily, good to have you here. What's your name?
My name is Miho.
Miho, good to see you. What's your name?
My name is Lorena.
Lorena, nice to have you here. Today, we'll be talking about prepositions. One thing prepositions do is tell where things are, usually in relation to other things. For example, we have a dog and a bag. In this case, we can say the dog is next to the bag, or the bag is next to the dog. We also use the words beside or to the side of. For example, the dog is beside the bag, or the dog is to the side of the bag. But it's very common for people to say next to. So we'll practice that. So, where is the dog? The dog is next to the bag. The dog is next to the bag. That's right. Where is the bag?
The bag is next to the dog.
The bag is next to the dog. That's right. Let's get some more things. Here we have a box. Box. Where is the dog?
The dog is next to the box.
The dog is next to the box. Right. Where's the box?
The box is next to the dog.
The box is next to the dog. That's right. Where's the box?
The box is next to the bag.
The box is next to the bag. Where is the bag?
The bag is next to the box.
The bag is next to the box. That's right. Now we have these three things. Please put the box next to the dog. Miho, would you do that? Now, put the bag next to the box. Lorena, would you do that? Put the bag next to the box. That's great. The bag is next to the box. Right, good. Okay, please put the dog next to the bag. Vasily? Very good. The dog is next to the bag. Now you say it. Where is the dog?
Where is the dog?
That's right. Tell me the answer. Where is the dog?
The dog is next to the bag.
The dog is next to the bag. Right. Where is the bag?
The bag is next to the box.
The bag is next to the box. Where is the dog?
The dog is next to the box.
The dog is next to the box. Very good. The question, where is the box? Everybody? Where is the box? Where is
the dog?
Where is the dog?
Where is the bag?
Where is the bag? Good. Now, you ask the questions. Where is the dog? Where is the bag? Where is the box? Vasily, can you make a question out of this situation?
Where is the dog, Miho?
The dog is next to the bag.
Yes, the dog is next to the bag. Lorena, would you ask a question?
Where is the bag? Vasily.
The box is next to the dog.
That's right. The box is next to the dog. Miho, would you make a question?
Where is the box? Vasil?
The box is next to the bag.
The box is next to the bag. Okay, now I will let you move the items and ask the question. Vasily, would you move things and ask a question?
Lorena, where is the dog?
The dog is next to the bag.
That's right. The dog is next to the bag. Miho, would you move the items and ask a question?
Vasily, where is the dog?
The dog is next to the box.
The dog is next to the box. Lorena, would you arrange the items and ask a question?
Mijo, where is the box?
The box is next to the bag.
The box is next to the bag. Very good. The box is next to the bag. The bag is next to the box. What's another way we can say that? Remember, we said we can use the word beside. The box is beside the bag. Try that.
The box is beside the bag.
The box is beside the bag. Or we can say to the side of. The box is to the side of the bag. Say that.
The box is to the side of the bag.
The box is to the side of the bag. Let's try that with this. Let's use to the side. Where is the dog?
The dog is beside.
Let's use to the side of. Where is the dog?
The dog is to the side of the bag.
The dog is to the side of the bag. Very good. Let's use beside. Where is the dog?
The dog is beside of the bag.
Beside the bag. Beside the bag. Again, the dog is
beside the bag.
right. If we use to the side, then we have to say of. To the side of. All that together. To the side of. Say that. The dog is
to the side of the bag.
the bag. Now just beside.
The dog is beside of the bag.
Beside
The bag.
the bag. Yes, beside the bag. The dog is beside the bag. The dog is to the side of the bag. Good.
Looking for a brighter future? Learn English and make it happen on Hello Channel.
Now you try it. First we'll use next to. For example, the box is next to the bag. Where's the dog? Did you say the dog is next to the box? That's right. Good job. Let's try it with the bag now. Where's the dog? Did you say the dog is next to the bag? If you did, that's right. Good job. Where's the bag? If you said the bag is next to the box, You're right. That's great. Now let's try it using beside. The box is beside the bag. You say that. The box is beside the bag. Where's the bag? Did you say the bag is beside the box? That's right. Where's the dog? Did you say the dog is beside the bag? If you did, you're right. Now let's try it with to the side of. The dog is to the side of the bag. Where's the bag? The bag is to the side of the dog. Good job. Where's the box? If you said the box is to the side of the bag, you are absolutely right. Good job. One more time. Let's use next to. Where's the box?
The box is next to the bag.
The box is next to the bag. What happens when we put the dog in here? Where is the dog? The easiest way to explain where the dog is to use a new preposition. Like this. The dog is between the box and the bag. The dog is between the box and the bag. Your turn. Where's the dog?
The dog is between the box and the bag.
That's right. Where's the bag?
The bag is between the box and the bag.
The bag is between the box and the dog. Again?
The bag is between the box and the dog.
Yes, the bag is between the box and the dog. Right. Where's the box?
The box is between the bag and the dog.
The box is between the bag and the dog. Now, put the dog between the box and the bag. Mijo. Where's the dog? Lorania?
The dog is between the bag and the box.
Yes, the dog is between the bag and the box. Put the bag between the box and the dog. Vasily. Okay. Where's the bag? Mijo.
The bag is between the dog and the box.
The bag is between the dog and the box. Good. Put the dog between the bag and the box. Vasily. Where's the dog? Lorania.
The dog is between the bag and the box.
The dog is between the bag and the box. Now you try it. You move the items and ask. That's the same question we just did. Where's the dog? Where's the box? Where's the bag? All right? Lorania, why don't you move them and then ask the question?
Vasily, where is the box?
The box is between the bag and the dog.
That's right. Vasily, you go ahead and move them.
Mijo, where is the dog?
The dog is between the bag and the box.
The dog is between the bag and the box. Mijo, you go ahead and move them.
Vasily, where is the bag?
The bag is between the dog and the box.
The bag is between the dog and the box. Can we put those together? For example, the bag is between the dog and the box. The box is next to the bag. So if I asked you, where is the dog? What would you say?
The dog is next to the bag.
The dog is next to the bag. Where's the bag?
The bag is next to.
Between?
It is next to. It's next to the dog and it's next to the box. That's what between means. In the middle of. So let's use between when it's in the middle. So where is the dog? The dog is next to the bag. Where's the bag?
The
The bag is between the dog and the box.
The bag is between the dog and the box. That's right. Okay. Where's the bag? Vasily.
The bag is next to the box.
The bag is next to the box. Where's the box? Miho?
The box is between the dog and the bag.
Yes, the box is between the dog and the bag. Let's get a nice T, tween, between. Everybody? Between. Between.
Between.
Between.
Between.
Between.
Between.
Between.
Between.
Between. The box is between the dog and the bag.
The box is between the dog and the bag.
The box is between the dog and the bag. Good job. Where's the dog?
The dog is between the box and the bag.
Where's the box?
The box is next to the dog.
The box is next to the dog. Right.